sweep that.
All right, so we're cleaning up the, and we gotta pull this out afterwards too and look behind her. So we're gonna clean the stove, clean this fridge, and trash back there. Is it unplugged? Huh?
Yeah.
Can you plug it in or give me some light over here? I don't, well, I got my headlamp. I can just get my headlamp. Never mind, I got my headlamp. I'll just use that. I can't see anything. It's not bright enough. There, that's better. Okay, let's see how dirty this is. Pretty dirty. Alright. Really filthy. Okay. So we're just gonna do the appliances and back here and then behind that. And then we're gonna go look around at the patchwork I have to do. Okay, so we got some stuff here. Here. I don't know that we're going down to the basement. I think just up here, I think. Okay. Not too bad here. Just a couple little things. Boop. Looks fairly good in here. We got just a little touch up of the baseboards. Yeah, stuff like this. We'll be touching up. Stuff like this. Alright, so I'm gonna look around the house a little bit up there. Looks like an old patch was done here. Okay. I gotta get my ladder. Or no, wait a minute. Oh, they took the tape down off there already, huh? Okay. All right. It's like a little patchwork up here. Some screws that gotta come down. A couple little things on the trim. Okay, there's some big breakage there. Something behind me. That's a high ceiling. Okay. Some touch-ups. A little bit right there. Okay. Stuff here. Okay, a couple little touch-ups in here, not too much. And yeah, I think this is good in here pretty much. And a couple little touch-ups in here. Okay. All right. How about in here? Something right there in the bathroom, just that little bit there, some there. All right, not bad. Okay, here we go. Get around do all those. Got a little bit of touch up there. All right. Okay, I did the full video. Oh well, here's some here too to look at. All right. All right, so we cleaned in the back, cleaned the stove real good. Boom. Okay, and clean fridge. All right, and then we're gonna look at touch-up paint and patchwork. here.
What is that bag on the floor?
It's for the broom.
Where's the book?
It goes in there.
I turned some out, so.
Okay, a lot of the patchwork and trim paint. That's what we're showing here. This is a whole bunch of patchwork here. Alright, a little painting here. Just up the stairs a little, just more patchwork. Here. Patchwork. Trim painting, patchwork, trim doors, trim, patchwork in here. And trim. Okay, patchwork. Did more trim in here, the door. Did this door. Trim around here. And patchwork. Okay.
David, what you do?
Alright, so we changed the sink out. This is the new one. There we go. Looks good. Check for leaks. I think it looks good. Alright, so I'm just kind of showing where the paint job was done after the patchwork. Showing that around a little bit. Like so. Kind of some of the final stuff. Okay.
Look, put it right here.
That's good. Alright. So we got the back door, new back lock there, nice. Okay. So, add an old one. do one. Okay. All right, so the door hinge is repaired. Use the spax lag screws there. And closes perfectly. Boom. Everything else is good. All right, so we got the 16 by 25 in. There we go. Looks good. All right, so we're about to put up a ceiling fan here. And so we got all the little parts pieces here. All right, so let's get it going. All right, we're gonna need our wiring. There we go, get that set up. Alright, so we got it mounted up into the stud, like so. So, just getting ready to make the connections. Just made the electrical connections. And, alright, so. Okay. See how we work here. It's just the way it works. Alright, so that's the fan in operation. Just the way it went. Still works.